I am Zayan.
And I am Aris.
Merry Christmas to all in advance. Today we are going to make Christmas decorative items with ice cream sticks. First we are going to make a snowflake. For that you need some ice cream sticks, glue and some decorative items. Here we need 4 ice cream sticks. Now let's get started. First we have to take one of the ice cream sticks and lay it vertically on the table, and then you have to put some glue right in the center, and then put another one. This time it should be horizontal, and again put glue in the middle, and then put it slanted like this, and then put some glue in the center again, and then put another one. Now we have to wait for the glue to dry. Now it will look like this. Now we have to put some decorative items, and Aris is going to help me in that. See, after decoration, it looks so good. Now for hanging it, I'm going to use this ribbon. First, we have to flip this snowflake and then choose any particular spot and then put very little glue on it. And then you have to take the ribbon like see, my snowflake is ready. Doesn't it look beautiful? Now we are going to make a snowman. For this we need 3 ice cream sticks, some white color paint, some orange paper, some black paper and some ribbon. First we have to color these ice cream sticks with white. After coloring, it will look like this. First we have to join these 3 sticks together with glue. We have to put glue on the corner and then stick another stick with it. And then repeat the process again. After sticking, it will look like this. Keep it for some time. We have to wait for it to dry. After sticking the ice cream sticks together, it will look like this. Now we have to give the hat. For that we are going to use the black paper. Now we have to draw a hat shape on the paper like this, and then cut it. After cutting, it will look like this. Now we have to stick the hat on the ice cream stick with glue. Now we have to take the hat and stick it on the ice cream stick. Now to make this hat look better, I'm going to stick some white paper. Now it's time to put the scarf around the snowman. First, we have to take some red ribbon. Now we have to keep the red ribbon down and then wrap it around like this. And then cut the extra part with a scissor and stick it with glue. See, after cutting the scarf, it will look like this. Now we have to take some decorative items and put it over here like this. Now it's time to put eyes and nose. To make the eyes, stick the googly eyes on the snowman like this. Now I'm going to put the nose. Now time for some decoration. Now I'll put some decorative items like this. Now my snowman is ready. Now I'm going to hang it with ribbon in the same way I did with snowflake. Now my snowman is ready.
Now time to make third thing.
That is reindeer. For that we need 3 ice cream sticks, some glue, some brown color and some pipe cleaners. First we are going to color the ice cream stick with brown color. After coloring, it will look like this. First you have to keep the ice cream sticks like an A and stick it with the glue stick. Now the face is ready. It looks like an upside down A. Now I'm going to take some red color paper and then stick it over here to make the nose. Now I'm going to put googly eyes for the eyes. Like this. Now I'm going to make the antlers. For that I will use these pipe cleaners like this. See, now it will look like this. See, it will look like this. Now I'm going to make it hang. See, now my reindeer is ready.
Now this is our fourth item. I'm going to make Christmas tree. For that we need 4 ice cream sticks, green color, glue decorative items, and yarn. First we have to color these 3 sticks with green color. After coloring, it will look like this. Now we have to join these 3 sticks like a triangle. Like this. Stick the corners with glue. One stick we have to color brown like this. Stick it center of the tree as trunk. Now we have to tie the yarn around the tree. After wrapping the yarn, it will look like this. Now go to put some decorative items. After decoration, it will look like this.
See, now all our 4 things are ready. You can use these as decoration or as puppets. See, the snowman says that, "Thanks for watching." You can also hang these in your Christmas tree.
Color this coconut with white color. The pencil, we have to draw the Santa Claus. Of the Santa Claus.
Then color with cap with red. Now we have to color the nose and the mouth.
So again, Merry Christmas to each and everyone.
Hope you like all our items and like the video.
Bye. Thanks for watching. Stay home, stay safe and stay healthy. If you like this video, please like this video, and if you love this video, you can subscribe. Bye.